Today's testing strategy tip is this, and every teacher everywhere has said it to every student everywhere and probably sent notes home to every parent everywhere. Couple of things need to be happening. One, get a good night's sleep. It is crucial. I have had to wake students up in the middle of the test because they fell asleep because they did not get a good night's sleep. So that means no electronics, probably about an hour before bedtime is a good way to make sure they're going to go to sleep. Do not go to sleep with the TV on because the TV does not give us a good restful sleep. Another thing is eat a good breakfast. I know we love our cereals. We love our Pop Tarts. Those are sugar, 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 sugar. There's nothing wrong with sugar. I'm not bashing sugar, but our bodies are going to perform better if we have a healthier meal, more balanced meal. And protein is a really good way to get going for your day. So, getting a good night's sleep, eating a good breakfast, and be on time to school. Get up early enough so you're not feeling rushed out the door. You can have some relaxing time and then get to school on time and be prepared. Another thing is if your child has to have their phone or you require them to have their phone or their iWatches or their smartwatches, those cannot be in the classroom at all. Teacher or anybody else, nothing like that can be in the room. So, best case scenario, don't even send it. If you do send it as it should be powered off in the backpack. And then when the student gets to school, they have to give it to the teacher. Or that's how we do it at our school. There are no phones allowed in the classroom during testing. So those are just a couple of suggestions. I hope they help.